am the kitten. I'm your friend Kitty the kitten. I need your help. Will you help me to get dressed up to go to school? Yes, please do.
Yes.
Thank you. Here is Kitty. And look, she needs help to get dressed. We need to help her with zip, button, snap, belt, buckle, lace. We will start with tying the lace for Kitty. Let me first show you how. Now, let me show you how to zip her up. That is how you button, buckle. That is snap or push button. Now, let us help with the belt. Very good. You are learning.
I hope this was a fun session for all of you. These are all important life skills, and by learning it through a toy like this, it can be more fun. Remember to keep practicing these activities at home to improve your fine motor skills and your daily activities like tying your shoelace, buttoning your shirt, and buckling your belt. Bye bye then.